Let's actually design a gear shape. For this first example, I will choose a radial symmetry of 3. This means our design will consist of 3 exact copies of a single lobe. As such, when you manipulate the design, you only interact with the first lobe, the purple region shown here, and the 2 remaining lobes copy its shape. Likewise, if I were to choose a radial symmetry of 4, then I would only interact with the first of 4 lobes. If I were to also choose bilateral symmetry, then I would interact with only half of that first lobe, since the other half is mirrored about the midpoint. Lastly, for a radial symmetry of 1 and no bilateral symmetry, then I am free to edit the entire region. So how do you perform these edits? Again, let's choose a radial symmetry of 3. First, take note that this center point where the spokes converge will be the center of rotation for your gear, where you would place the axle. Press the A key on your keyboard to add a spoke. Left-click to select a spoke. Drag the endpoint of a selected spoke to reposition it, and press the D key on your keyboard to delete a selected spoke. You cannot delete the spokes at the lobe endpoints, but you can change their radius. Click Confirm Design and the flashing arrow when finished.